Hi guys! This was our ganap during our post-Valentine's date. So, we're already in Trinoma here. Ayan, fit check.
Wow!
So, of course, our first stop was the step chat in time zone. And the next, his favorite game here. Itong basketball na napakalayo. And now it's my turn, dito lang sa malapit.
Ay, sakto Golden State Warriors yan, oh. Sakto Golden State Warriors yan, oh.
Inulit niya pa, guys.
Wala guys. Bye.
Ayan, umulit pa siya dyan, guys. Tapos pinatry niya ako. As you can see, guys, pinipinit niya talaga ako dyan kahit hindi ako makashoot. I gave up. Ayaw talaga.
Pagod, guys! Tignan nyo naman yung layo, guys! Sobrang layo!
For the pose siya dyan bago ang sakuna. Papunta na kami sa SM North here kasi may gusto siyang tignan doon. Ayan, naka-heels pa ako. And then we're here at artwork. Ito daw yung gusto niyang gift. Ayan, pagbigyan natin kasi mabait naman yan siya, guys.
Update, guys. Sino ba naman kasi nagsabi mag-heels?
Fast forward, we're already here at Manam's. So, dito kami magdi-dinner. Hi guys, this is my day. Can you smile? So creamy. Here's what we ordered for our dinner. Gutom na siya, be, kaya galit-galit muna. As you can see, ang aga niya mag-dessert.
Hanggang mo mag-ano?
Tapos dinamay pa ako, no?
Ilas mo ano nila?
no, no, no.
Sorry, Bobs. Babalik lang tayo saglit. Ang sarap kasi nung sayo eh. Nahiya yarn. Matutulala at mapapakanta ka na lang sa sobrang kabusugan.